Learn Spanish with audio. The easiest way to speak Spanish fast. You want to learn Spanish. But books are boring. Apps make you tap, not talk. And classrooms? Too slow. Here's the truth. The fastest way to learn Spanish is by listening. That's how babies learn their first words. That's how you learned English. And that's how you can master Spanish. Without stress, without textbooks, without confusion. Introducing Learn Spanish with Audios. No reading. No writing. Just listen and start speaking. Real Spanish. Real conversations. Easy lessons you can use anywhere: car, gym, home. Start speaking from day one. Why this works when everything else fails. Ever tried learning Spanish and quit? You're not alone. Most methods fail because they overload you with grammar rules, endless vocabulary lists, and zero real-world practice. Our secret? We train your brain the natural way. By listening and speaking, just like a native. Imagine this. You hear real Spanish, and suddenly words start clicking. You respond without overthinking. You feel confident, not clueless. No stress. No textbooks. Just real Spanish that sticks. What happens if you don't take action? Let's be real. Another year passes. You still can't speak. More job postings say bilingual preferred, and you're not. More awkward moments when someone speaks Spanish and you just smile, lost. More regret that you didn't start sooner. Your choice. But if you take action today, you open doors to better jobs, better pay, and amazing travel experiences. You impress friends, family, and colleagues. Every day you wait is another missed opportunity. Start speaking Spanish today. Just by listening.
Unlock your Spanish potential with the power of audio.